To keep the birds out, at feeding stations, we make these flaps or curtains, as you will call them, out of vinyl plastic. You could do this using thick contractor trash bags also. Just cut to size and tape over the front of your feeding box. This is an average milk crate that we use as a feeding box. This way you could see. Okay. So basically it's a milk crate that we cover with plastic trash bags so that it's somewhat rainproof. And to keep birds out from this, somehow the birds can't figure this out. It's actually quite funny. Once you put the curtains and the flaps over, they might smell that there's food behind it, but they don't seem to really understand the concept where one could walk past into the box underneath. Okay, so the cover extends out beyond the box, so I had to make these flaps on the side to cover as well. But basically at feeding time, it's quite simple. You know, it's hard to feed when you can't see what's underneath. So all you could do is just flap everything over and do what you have to. And then when you're done, flap them back down. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. So again, you could just flip this entire thing like one piece to the top, and then once you're done, they come down easily. It's actually great for rainproofing. Sometimes when the rainstorm comes down windy, you know, even though it's covered in a box, food could still get wet. So with this curtain, it also helps to keep flies out too. Just, you know, less number of flies could get to your food. So that's it. That's what we do to bird proof our feeding box. All right, and you'll see you could cut the strips to whatever width that you like, as skinny or as wide as you like.